Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join in a server or group in Telegram without the invitation link. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you can do this on your mobile device as long as you have the Telegram application and any browser on your device. Okay? So let's get started. So first, you want to open your browser and then type for t.me slash t.me slash. Then just go ahead and put any words that you want, and then once you click enter, you can now proceed to the group on Telegram, okay, on that specific group. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.